Prime Minister Narendra Modi lashed out at the opposition for politicizing the Pulwama attack in which 40 CRPF Jawans lost their lives last year. Addressing a gathering in Gujarat's Kevadia, including CRPF personnel on the occasion of Sardar Patel's birth anniversary, Prime Minister Modi said that some people politicized Pulwama attack for their political gains and that the country will never forget them. Prime Minister Modi also said that he was pained to see people politicizing this attack. He also added that Pakistan's recent confession on the Pulwama attack has in fact exposed some people in India. Modi's reaction comes days after Pakistan's Minister Fawad Chaudhry credited Imran Khan, the Prime Minister, for 2019 terror attack on CRPF personnel in Pulwama. He in fact claimed that Pulwama was Imran Khan's big achievement.
देश कभी भूल नहीं सकता कि जब अपने वीर बेटों के जाने से पूरा देश दुखी था, तब कुछ लोग उस दुख में शामिल नहीं थे। वो पुलवामा हमले में भी अपना राजनीतिक स्वार्थ खोज रहे थे। लेकिन पिछले दिनों पड़ोसी देश से जो खबरें आई है, जिस प्रकार वहां की संसद में सत्य स्वीकारा गया है, उसने इन लोगों के असली चेहरों को देश के सामने ला दिया है।
Let's take a listen to Pakistan's minister's statement where he accepted Pulwama attack that really prompted Prime Minister's reaction on that.
आप असेंबली के फ्लोर के ऊपर आप बातें कर रहे हैं और फिर झूठ इतने एतमाद से बोल रहे हैं कि झूठा शख्स भी क्या बात करेगा। जिस एतमाद से उन्होंने आके ये बातें की यहाँ पर कि स्पीकर जनाब शाह महमूद कुरैशी साहब की टांगें कांप रही थी, कह रहे थे हिंदुस्तान हमला कर रहा है। हमने हिंदुस्तान को घुस के मारा है जनाब स्पीकर वहां पे। और पुलवामा में जो कामयाबी है, पुलवामा में जो हमारी कामयाबी है, वो इमरान खान की क़यादत में इस कौम की कामयाबी है। उसके हिस्सेदार आप भी सब हैं, उसके हिस्सेदार हम भी सब हैं।
Let's quickly cut across to Mustafa joining us live for more details on that. Mustafa, Prime Minister Modi there on a two-day tour in Gujarat. He takes up the issue of Pulwama, lashes out at the opposition, hinting at how the opposition wasn't part of the pain the country was experiencing during the Pulwama attacks. India fought back, but here is Pakistan, who's admitted in an open platform. Pakistan minister itself is crediting Imran Khan for the Pulwama attack. Here on one hand you had the opposition saying that this was just a gimmick, a political gimmick at that point in time. Take us through Prime Minister Modi's two-day visit and his statement that he's made on that stage.
Yes, Nabila, the occasion was that Prime Minister Narendra Modi was in Gujarat for commemoration of the birthday of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He was giving a speech in which, before the speech, there was a parade carried out in which a CRPF battalion was also present. So Prime Minister mentioned that because I saw CRPF battalion, I remember the sacrifice which has been given by the CRPF personnel in Pulwama. And then he came to the revelation which happened in the Pakistani parliament, and he didn't take any names of the country, but he said some people were also in India were making allegation and conspiracy theory behind this attack. He was referring to opposition parties, and he said that because of which he was pained, but at that point of time he decided not to react because he was really concerned for the attack on the defense forces which had happened, and he was planning as to how to give a rebuttal to the Pakistani forces. At the same point of time, he said now that the opposition parties have been proven wrong, they should ask for forgiveness from the country. And at the same point of time, while he was in Gujarat, the other programs included a tourism circuit in the Kevadia village of Gujarat, in which he has inaugurated the first seaplane. It also includes malls and other places like a jungle safari, in which he's trying to say that basically this entire space has been developed as a tourist circuit for people in Gujarat and all over the country. Back to you.
Mustafa, thank you very much for joining us with those details. Now you have Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who paid a floral tribute to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel on his 145th birth anniversary. The day also celebrated as a National Unity Day. In a major boost to tourism, Prime Minister has launched the country's first seaplane service between Statue of Unity site at Kevadia to the Sabarmati riverfront in Ahmedabad. Prime Minister, in fact, took a seaplane flight and landed in Sabarmati riverfront in Ahmedabad. He began his day by paying floral tribute and administered Ekta Pledge and witnessed the Ekta Divas parade as well. He also witnessed a military parade and the cultural program at the event. In his address, Prime Minister Modi invoked Article 370, Purge and Ram Mandir, saying both these impossible tasks were undertaken under the NDA government's rule. Prime Minister Modi also pledged to empower the farmers and migrants of the country by making them self-reliant. In a veiled mention of the line of actual control standoff, Prime Minister Modi dared anyone to eye our borders, saying they're absolutely secure.
विपदाओं और चुनौतियों के बीच भी देश ने कई ऐसे काम किए हैं जो कभी असंभव मान लिए गए थे। इसी मुश्किल समय में धारा 370 हटने के बाद, आर्टिकल 370 हटने के बाद कश्मीर ने समावेश का 1 साल पूरा किया। 31 अक्टूबर को ही, आज से 1 साल पहले ये कार्यरत हुआ था। सरदार साहब जीवित थे, बाकी राजे रजवाड़ों के साथ ये काम भी अगर उनके जिम्मे होता तो आज इतने सालों आजादी के इतने वर्षों के बाद ये काम करने की नौबत मुझ पे नहीं आती। लेकिन सरदार साहब का वो काम अधूरा था। उन्हीं की प्रेरणा से 130 करोड़ देशवासियों को उस कार्य को भी पूरा करने का सौभाग्य मिला है। कश्मीर के विकास में जो बाधाएं आ रही थी, उन्हें पीछे छोड़कर अब कश्मीर विकास के नए मार्ग पर बढ़ चुका है। आज देश रक्षा के क्षेत्र में भी आत्मनिर्भर बनने की ओर बढ़ रहा है। इतना ही नहीं, सीमाओं पर भी भारत की नजर और नजरिया अब बदल गए हैं। आज भारत की भूमि पर नजर गड़ाने वालों को मुंह तोड़ जवाब देने की ताकत हमारे वीर जवानों के हाथ में है। आज का भारत सीमाओं पर सैकड़ों किलोमीटर लंबी सड़कें बना रहा है, दर्जनों ब्रिज, अनेक सुरंगें लगातार बनाता चला जा रहा है। अपनी संप्रभुता और सम्मान की रक्षा के लिए आज का भारत पूरी तरह सज्ज है, प्रतिबद्ध है, कटिबद्ध है, पूरी तरह तैयार है। लेकिन साथियों, प्रगति के इन प्रयासों के बीच कई ऐसी चुनौतियां भी हैं जिसका सामना आज भारत और पूरा विश्व कर रहा है।